Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to claim compensation on Lufthansa. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Lufthansa account, which of course I have done right here. The next one is how can you create an account on Lufthansa? Now you can do that by launching any browser of your choice. After doing that, in search bar of your browser, type lufthansa.com, just as it is right here. It's going to take you right into the official website for Lufthansa. Once again, to the website, just follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account to the top right corner of that screen. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Lufthansa. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to claim compensation on Lufthansa. It's pretty much the process. Now you can open up a new tab, and in that tab, go ahead and type in lufthansa.com/fr/an/compensation -in-d-event-off-flight irregularities, and it's going to take you right here into this page. So there's compensation and reimbursement of expenses in the event of flight disruptions. If your Lufthansa flight was delayed by at least 3 hours on arrival, was cancelled, or if you missed a connecting flight, you have the option of using this form to request a check whether you're entitled to compensation under Art 7 EU Regulation 261/2004. You can click on this to check your passenger rights. But now, which irregularity occurred in your journey? So let's say delayed flight. And after that, for whom are you making this application for compensation? For myself, or for me and my family in the same household, or as a third party on behalf of the traveler? And then which flight was affected by the irregularity? So enter the booking code for the flight and enter your select the airline, and then the flight number, the flight date, and then you can also add flights. You can add up to 4 flights. Now, how did you reach your destination? With the flight booked, flight was rebooked by other means of transportation, journey was interrupted. Then the next is personal details. Please start by entering the applicant's contact details here. Enter your ticket number, your miles and mile number. You select your title, academic title, first name, middle name, surname, contact details. You have to fill out all these contact details. And once you're done, then receipts, expenses, and other documents. Go ahead and add this, which is very necessary. Please do not send us any credit card details. And then confirmation and information. You check this box to confirm that the statements in the both form are true and correct, and click on submit. And once you click on submit, Lufthansa is going to get back to you to see how you can get the compensation for what you're claiming for. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.